In this video, I'll show you how to set up paternal leave in Xero. Once you are on your Xero account, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, click on the fifth tab for payroll. Now, under payroll, you want to head over to the very bottom and click on payroll settings. And once you are on the payroll settings, head over to the fourth tab at the top and click on pay items. Now, once you were on the pay items, you want to make sure that you are on the earnings tab. And from here, you want to head over to the top and right corner and click on add. Now, on add, what you want to do is simply head over to the bottom and click on paid parental leave. And on the earnings name, what you want to do is simply set this as a paternity leave. And you can also add this as a display name. Now, on the rate type, you can set a fixed amount, multiple of employees' ordinary earnings rate, or you can also add a rate unit. Now, on the rate per unit, you can set this to weeks, hours, or days. So we are going to set this to hours. And the rate per unit, you can also add, but this is optional. On the expense account, what you want to do is simply look for wages and salaries. And once you're done, head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on add. Now, once you click on add on your earnings section, if you scroll down, you will automatically see the paternity leave at the very bottom. Now, once you have your paternity leave, you can now set this up on an employee. So if you head over to the payroll tab and at the bottom, click on employees under employee management. And on your current employees, you want to set up the person who has a paternity leave. Let's say this will be Sally. And from here, you want to head over to the pay template tab. And on the paid template tab, what you want to do is simply scroll down and you will see their earning rates is a paid parental leave. If you want to add a paternity leave, simply head over to the bottom of the earnings line, click on the plus sign. From here on the earnings rate, if you click on the drop down, in here you can set the rate to be a paternity leave. Now you can use a calculation type to enter the rate or the annual salary. I do prefer to add the enter rate. At the bottom in the right corner, just click on OK. Now on their pay template, in here you can set an hour as well as a rate. Now on the hours and the rate, you will base on the ordinary hours. So per hour, Sally makes $30 and it will be 76 hours. So at the bottom, you can also add the same rate. Let's say they have a paternity leave for about a month. So you can set the hours that are there for your work for a month. So let's say they work 8 hours a day and you only have 5 days worth of work. So that will be 40 hours. And you want to multiply that by 4. So that will be 160 hours. So the paternity leave will be 160 hours and it will be the same rate. You can also increase the rate, like 35 per rate, and the total will be 5,600. And once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and the right corner and click on save. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.